Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a secure folder or a private folder on POCO X7 Pro in order to store files privately behind a password. So if you want to store files privately behind a password, then you can use, for instance, the Files app that you can find in the app drawer. Once you see this information, if you open it for the first time, then you want to press continue and allow access to files. And now over here in collections, you will find save folder. You want to tap on it in order to set it up. Now you can choose either a pin code or pattern in order to be able to access this private folder. I'm gonna set up an easy pin code, press next, and then once again confirm your code, and there we go. Press got it, and here is our save folder. In the Files app, we can find pretty much everything that we have on our device, whether it is images, videos, audio files, documents, and so on and so forth. So as an example, I'm gonna hide a photo. I'm gonna move it to the private folder. So we can, for instance, tap on the image in order to open it, then tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then you have the option to move to save folder. You will need to confirm your pin code in order to move it, and after that, it should be done. Of course, you can also press and hold your finger on the first photo and then keep selecting in order to select multiple items at once. Then you can tap on these three dots once again in the top right corner, and you also have the option to move to save folder. If you want to check whatever is hidden in the save folder, of course you want to go to that save folder, enter the password, and you will find everything over here. In order to move it out of the save folder, you can either essentially you want to tap on these three dots on the right side, and then you have the option to move it out. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!